Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to cutepolish. In today's nail art tutorial, Becca will be showing you 3 minimalist cottagecore inspired nail art designs that are perfect for spring.
Hey guys, it's Becca. Let's get started. So the first design is a simple daisy look. For this design, you'll want to paint all of your nails a light yellow, and here I've already applied a base coat and the first coat of polish. When the base is dry, use a brush dipped in white polish to make little 6-petaled flowers on your nails. Don't worry about them being super neat, they'll look nice either way. If you don't have a nail art brush, you could also do this with a toothpick and just make the petals a bit rounder. When you're done with the petals, use a darker yellow to make a dot in the center of each flower, and then seal in your design with a glossy top coat. For our next cottagecore design, we have some cute little mushrooms. So for this look, I started out with just a base coat on all of my nails. To make a mushroom, first use a beige polish to make a curved line near the tip of your nail. You want it to be a bit thicker at the bottom and thinner at the top. When you're happy with the stem, use a red polish to make a semicircle above it. When the red is dry, add a couple of white dots to the mushroom cap. To finish off the design, use green to make some grass below the mushroom. Just make some messy strokes to give it some texture. When you're done, seal in your design with a top coat. The last cottagecore design I have for you is inspired by pressed flowers. For this one, apply a base coat to all of your nails and then 2 coats of a mossy green to your ring, pinky, and thumbnails. On your other nails, apply 1 to 2 coats of a sheer pink. We'll be making our flowers on the sheer nails, so start off with your mossy green polish and make a couple of thin, vertical lines in the center of your nail. Add a couple of leaves and then use a peachy polish to make a daisy at the top of each stem. Add a light yellow dot for the center of each flower, and then use a pink polish to make a piece of tape on the flower's stem. You could definitely paint the same kind of flower on both of your sheer nails if you wanted to, but I decided to paint 2 different ones. So for this one, it's basically the same process, but the leaves are a bit pointier, and I used a coral polish to make upward pointing petals. When you're finished with the flowers, apply a matte top coat to the green nails, and then apply a glossy top coat to the other nails to seal in your design and add a beautiful shine. Which of these 3 designs did you like the best? Let us know in the comments below. You can watch more videos on cutepolish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to cutepolish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.